Nararamdaman mo agad na magnetize ka. Gusto mo lagi mo siyang kasama, gusto mo lagi mo siyang kausap, gusto mo lagi mo siyang pinagsisilbihan. Wow. My song Batubalani ay inspired sa mismong title niya, Batubalani. It got my attention, yung Batubalani na word. So, re-research ko siya and ang direct translation niya is magnet. So, at that time, 2022 ko siya sinulat. Naghahanap ako ng inspiration ko magsulat ng kanta and I thought na yung word Batubalani is perfect fit na maging title for the song, and then I worked around it. Naisip ko din na magsulat naman ako ng love song dahil yung mga previous releases ko were all about heartbreak. So this time, people will hear a love song but in a fresher take. Inspiration ng music nito is a little bit of Lainey, ganyan. Medyo may konting beat siya. So, it's an easy song to listen to. This one, you can play this on the loop. And ayun, magnet. Dahil pag na-in-love ka, di ba, parang you get magnetized to the person you like. And doon tatakbo yung storya nung Batubalani. Oo naman, oo naman. At this point, I can say na twice or 3 times. So, and actually, all the time na meron akong nagugustuhang girl, I can say kahit sa ma-infatuate pa lang parang yun agad yung nararamdaman mo agad na magnetize ka sa gusto mo lagi mo siyang kasama, gusto mo lagi mo siyang kausap, gusto mo lagi mo siyang pinagsisilbihan. Wow. Acts of service talaga yung love language ko is acts of service. So, yun. Ganun ako Batubalani. Alagaan kita. Mga kapuso, available na po for streaming ang aking newest single, Batubalani, under GMA Playlist.